How to delete search history on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch YouTube app and go ahead and tap on home. After that, you need to navigate to View section at bottom right corner to access your profile. After that, tap on gear icon at top right corner of your screen. Under account, you will see variety of options. Choose your data in YouTube. Once you land on browser delete your YouTube activity page, you need to scroll down. And these are all your watch history and these are your YouTube search history. If you want to manage your YouTube search history, select that. Now tap on delete icon. Select delete all time. And confirm your deletion tapping on delete button at bottom right and tap got it. And with that, you will successfully delete your search history on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.